Plus 500 trading service honest review watch before using. Most people think online trading platforms are either too complex or risky, but Plus 500 aims to simplify trading while offering a wide range of financial instruments. Plus 500 is a CFD trading platform that allows users to trade stocks, forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies without owning the underlying asset. One standout feature is its intuitive interface, which is beginner-friendly, but also includes advanced tools for more experienced traders. The platform provides real-time charts, customizable alerts, and risk management tools like stop loss and take profit orders. Most people get this wrong. They assume CFD trading is only for experts. The surprising truth is Plus 500 offers demo accounts with virtual funds, so you can practice without risking real money. This is ideal for testing strategies and understanding market movements before committing your capital. Another advantage is regulation. Plus 500 is authorized and regulated in multiple jurisdictions, including the UK, Australia, and Europe, which adds a layer of security and trust. The platform also provides clear information about fees and spreads, helping users make informed trading decisions. However, there are considerations. CFD trading is inherently risky and can result in significant losses, especially if leverage is used. It's crucial to understand the mechanics of leverage and market volatility. Additionally, while Plus 500 supports many assets, it may lack the extensive research tools available on some competing platforms. In conclusion, Plus 500 is a solid choice for both beginners and experienced traders looking for a user-friendly, regulated CFD platform. Its demo account, risk management features, and broad asset selection make it a flexible tool for trading. Subscribe for more honest trading platform reviews before making your next investment decision.